Applying ratio strategies, Amplify 6 to 15. I can apply ratio reasoning in order to answer questions about a real-world situation. Maria decided to do a food waste experiment at home. She determined that her family threw away 9 pounds of trash in 5 days. Make a ratio table. At this rate, how much trash would her family throw out in a year? 1 year is about 365 days. So I made a ratio table comparing the pounds of trash and days. Pounds and days. So 9 pounds of trash in 5 days. So in 1 year, it would be 365 times 73 times 73. So her family would throw out 657 pounds in 1 year. Number 2, of the 9 pounds of trash, 3 pounds were plastic, 4 pounds were food, and 2 pounds were other waste. At this rate, how much of the yearly trash is plastic, food, and other trash? Explain or show your reasoning. So, if out of the 9 pounds, 3 were plastic, that means 1/3 of the yearly trash is plastic. 4 out of 9 is food, and 2 out of the 9 is other waste. What recommendations would you give to Maria's family to reduce their waste? So answers can vary. You could write some things like you could switch to, like, instead of plastic, like recyclable items. For food, maybe only purchase try to only purchase what you're using, and then look at what other ways that they have. So to see how they can accommodate to make things a little better. But I would say out of all this, especially the food being 4 out of 9, maybe look into how much food that they're purchasing so they're not wasting so much.